Hey, I'm Tony from Q's, and we just finished building this Versalift SST-40. This truck has a 45-foot working height, and it's built on a Ford F550 chassis. So this truck also has a 6.7 diesel power stroke motor in it. Let's take a look at the interior. That's what the interior looks like. We added some strobe lights to the top of the utility body. And this boom is insulated. Got a hitch on the back. And a quick look at the curbside utility cabinets. Got some shelving in there with some dividers. Middle one has some wheel chocks, some safety gear, and a harness in it. And some more dividers in the pack towards the front, and there's another cabinet as well in here. The bucket controls are a pistol grip control, and they have a backup pump control in there and an engine control shut off. This is a great truck at a great price, so if you're interested in it, give us a call at 800-258-1010. My name's Tony. You can ask for me. My extension's 250, or you can click on the link in the description of this video and request a quote online. Thanks for watching.